take you back to a place where food tells a story. Picture yourself stepping into the heart of the Philippines, a province that's so rich in history and flavor that it has earned the title of the culinary capital of the country. Imagine the aroma of sizzling sisig wafting through the air, the sound of laughter as you join a local chef to learn how to prepare a traditional bilhe, and the warmth of the people who take pride in their heritage and hospitality. Meet Anna, a traveler just like you. She came to Pampanga looking for something more than just a quick weekend getaway. She wanted to experience something deeply rooted in Filipino culture, and that's exactly what she found. On her first day, Anna joined the local food tour, sampling Pampanga's finest dishes, from balut to the famous sisig. But it wasn't just about eating, it was about learning. She stood in a traditional kitchen watching a grandmother pass down the secrets of her cooking to a new generation. By the end of the day, Anna wasn't just another tourist. She had become a part of Pampanga's culinary legacy.
This 3-day tour is all about that connection. You'll walk through history at landmarks like the Barason Church, where stories of the Philippine Revolution still echo, and you'll find yourself at the foot of Mountain Pinatubo, where nature's power is both inspiring and humbling. Each step you take will be filled with stories, from the people, the food, and the land itself. But it's not just about sightseeing. You'll cook alongside locals who will teach you how to make the famous birenge, a dish that has been passed down for generations. You'll understand why Pampanga's food is special and why it's the heart of Filipino culinary traditions. By the end of this tour, you won't just be living with souvenirs. You'll be living with new skills, new friends, and a deep love for this province that will stay with you long after you've gone.
Just like Anna, but you can have a life-changing experience. So, are you ready to join this journey through Pampanga? It's not just a tour, it's an immersion into the soul of Filipino culture, where food, history, and people come together to create something truly special. Let's make your story one that's filled with delicious flavors and unforgettable memories. Are you ready to book your adventure today?